G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 10 Hayman Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Kawungan. And as usual, there's a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. This lovely home is perfectly positioned on a low maintenance 660 square metre allotment on what many affectionately call Christmas Street during the festive season. This is where you will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having Hervey Bay's essential amenities all only a short drive away, including shopping centres, Bunnings, hospitals, schools, the sporting precinct, TAFE, university, the Hervey Bay golf course, Esplanade and the beach, all only minutes away. This well-maintained brick home was completed in 1995 and has recently been refurbished, including professionally repainted both inside and outside, has had the roof re-screwed and repainted, new ceiling fans and light fittings, and has had new carpet laid along with a new panel lift door fitted to the garage, and has had the driveway repainted as well. There really is nothing to do except move in and enjoy your new lifestyle. Upon entering, you are immediately drawn to that vast open plan living and dining area with the kitchen off to the side, which forms the heart of the home and includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen has been designed around convenience and features ample bench and storage space along with a breakfast bar and a pantry. Appliances include a new electric hot plate with a brand new range hood along with an oven and a new dishwasher. Stepping outside via the sliding doors that provide a seamless transition between that open plan indoor living and dining area and the expansive covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area overlooking the private backyard. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate with your morning cuppa and a cool beverage of an afternoon. Heading back inside, there is a separate lounge or living room, being the perfect space to enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. This charming home offers 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes thoughtfully placed away from the main living zones. The main bedroom includes a brand new ceiling fan, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. You've also got a separate home office with built-in cabinetry that could make up a 4th bedroom as well when required. The bathroom includes a vanity, a spa bath and a shower along with a separate toilet for convenience. The laundry offers access outside to the clothesline. But wait, there's more. There are 2 large garden sheds to house all your gardening and lawn equipment, ideal for additional storage as well. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double garage, which has just had a brand new panel lift door fitted and offers direct covered access into the home. Plus you have side access and a carport to accommodate a box trailer, jet ski or a tinny. And there is space to the front of the property to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat. Homes finished as well as this one in this location and price point are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.